Meaning of interrupt.
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 Interrupt. Interrupt is a term used in computer science to refer to a signal or event that temporarily stops the execution of a program. An interrupt can be initiated by either internal or external factors, such as errors, hardware devices, or software user input. Interrupts are used to handle important events that require immediate attention and cannot be predicted in advance. Once an interrupt occurs, the computer's CPU switches from executing the normal sequential instruction flow to a specific routine that handles the interrupt. After the interrupt is serviced, the system returns to the point at which it was interrupted and resumes normal execution.